What's the meaning of adolescence? Adolescence. 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 Adolescence refers to the period of development between childhood and adulthood, generally spanning from ages 10 to 19. It is a time of physical, emotional, and psychological change as individuals transition from being children to becoming adults. Adolescents may experience mood swings, increased independence, and changes in their relationships with family and peers. This period is often marked by increased risk-taking behavior, experimentation, and the formation of an individual's identity. The experiences encountered during adolescence can have a significant impact on an individual's future mental, social, and physical well-being.